Hi everyone, welcome to Organic Creations. I hope you all are doing fine today. So it's been a very long time I haven't posted any videos of any skincare products. I've just been a little busy. There have been a lot of messages coming in, like asking when is the next video going to be posted. So I have just removed some time quickly so that I can post a video for you all. Now this is a requested video by few people to make a serum. I did have a free serum workshop last week on my YouTube channel. For beginners who don't know how to make serums from scratch, you can definitely watch that live video. This is going to be a little more advanced serum making which we are going to be making today. So this is a vitamin C serum which we are going to be making. Now the vitamin C that I have used for this serum is magnesium ascorbyl phosphate. That's a very stable form of vitamin C. Doesn't oxidize very fast. So there are a lot of other options as well which you all can definitely give it a try. But I find this very effective on the skin. So this is the base which I have already added my vitamin C powder to, and I have taken a little bit of xanthan gum in combination with hyaluronic acid. Now this is the gelling agent which is going to give us that nice consistency of a serum. I have already gone ahead and hydrated this, kept to hydrate for about an hour, and now you will not be seeing any of the hyaluronic acid or xanthan gum particles in this. So this is how the consistency looks like after it has completely gelled in the water. It has a very nice serum consistency. And you can also go ahead and add any other thickeners to this, any other gelling agents to this. If you want to try Sepimaxen, that is also a very good option. But here I have taken hyaluronic acid and xanthan gum. So since this is a vitamin C serum, we are going to be adding some good extracts which is very rich in vitamin C. So here I'm going to go ahead and add my orange extract, a few drops of orange extract, and I'm going to go ahead and add licorice extract. Now licorice again is a very good extract for brightening your skin, for giving you a very good instant brightness on the skin. Again, orange is filled with vitamin C and very good to give a nice glow on the skin. So I've gone ahead and added these extracts. You can add any other extracts of your choice depending on what type of serum you want to make. For exact formulations on these type of advanced serums, you all can definitely join the workshops that we have. There we teach all these advanced serum making. And now we are going to go ahead and add our preservative, which is again very important. So for the preservative, I'm going to go ahead and add Optafin Plus. You can add any other water soluble preservative to the serum. Since we don't have any oil solubilizers or any ingredient which contains oil, we will only be adding all water soluble ingredients to this. Now if you can see, this has a lovely thickness. And the other reason I have gone ahead and added xanthan gum to this specifically is because I wanted to add a little bit of 24 karat gold mica to this, so we get a nice shimmer to our serum. If at all you want to leave it as it is, if you don't want to add any shimmer particles to this, you can just leave it as it is. But I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of shimmer to this formulation of ours. So a very little bit of 24 karat gold mica goes a long way. You don't need to add a lot of it because it will spread all over, and it will give a very nice shimmery glow to our serum. Now this serum is very effective to give an instant glow to your skin. You can also go ahead and add any other active ingredients to your formulation if at all you don't want to add vitamin C, but since we want a nice glow on the skin with the serum, we have gone ahead and added different extracts and actives which contain vitamin C. So this is the beautiful look that this has, and because of the xanthan gum, a small proportion of it. These shimmer particles are going to stay intact. They are not going to settle at the bottom after a period of time. It is going to hold on to the serum very well. So this was it with our vitamin C serum, Instant Glow Serum, that we have gone ahead and made. And as I said, if any one of you are interested in learning skincare products, learning more advanced skincare products, you all can connect with me on the WhatsApp number that's given in the description box. Thank you so much for all your love and support, and I hope you all have a lovely day.